I'm Teacher Sharon. The book that I read this week was The Magic Kite. How many of you like to fly kites? What do you need to fly a kite besides the kite? Wind, right. So for this week's home activity, we are going to do some experiments with wind and see what properties things have to have in order for the wind to work on them, to blow. Okay, so you might want to get a paper plate or a tray and get some items that you want to test out. I have different items down here. As we go along, I'll show you the items. So let's see, what will the wind blow? Let's try a rock, and let's see, a feather. Which one do you think the wind will blow? I'm going to put both of them on the plate and hold them up to the wind and see which one will blow. Oh, the feather already blew off the plate, so the wind blew the feather. What about the rock? Is the wind blowing the rock? No, maybe I can help it out. Let me see. Even if I huff and puff, it doesn't blow the rock. The rock is too heavy. The feather was very light. So those are two properties, heavy and light. Let's try something else. I have a ball, and it's pretty light. It's made of wood. And I have a wooden block. Do you think the wind can blow either one of these? Let's see. I'm holding it up to the wind. They're not blowing. I think the block is too heavy. And even though the wooden ball is kind of light, the wind won't blow it. Let me see if I can blow it. It's not coming off the plate, so that won't blow. Oh, how about a tissue? Let's see, if I hold the tissue up, you see it blowing? The wind is blowing it. And if I blow it with my own wind, it's moving. So this must be pretty light too. Let's see, bubbles. Everyone loves bubbles. Let's see if the wind will blow the bubbles without my help. Let's see. If I go like this, it does blow bubbles. And sometimes, if the wind is strong enough, you can hold the wand or blow the bubbles, and the wind will blow the bubbles. So experiment with different things. Oh, I have one more thing on here. Let me see. And the wind is coming up. So, oh, and guess what? It blew my paper plate. The paper plate must be what? Light. I'm going to put a cotton ball on my paper plate and see if it goes off. Oh, the wind blew off the cotton ball. You can experiment with different things. Toys, leaves, feathers, different things to see which, but make a note of the properties. They're either heavy or light, little or big. And sometimes big things will blow, even though they might not look like they could blow. Like this was pretty big, and this blew. But this was smaller, and this didn't blow through the wind. So have fun with the experiment, and make note of what blows and what does not blow with the wind. And if you have a kite, go ahead and fly your kite. Bye for now. Have fun.